Yo, what's up people? It's me again. Welcome back to the channel. I have something exciting for you today. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Yeah, this is it guys. This is the new EOS R8. This is a brand new mirrorless camera. It's just come out a few months, about 3 months now. I'm not too much a specs person, but yeah, I'm excited and let's unbox. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Manual. Most Ugandan fellas don't like reading manuals, so I guess sorry, manual. Okay, you get yourself a charger. Yeah. By the way, this camera uses a small LPE17 batteries. These are those you'll find in, like, you're using the old DSLR. You have the if you're using like the T6i, so you can see it's a tiny battery. Yeah, but yeah, this is what it comes with. We've got our charger here. Then you have a strap. Yeah, strap. And then you have, this is also part of the charger. It's the power cable and drum rolls, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Woo, guys, let me take this box away. Guys, this is the R8, okay? It's a pretty small camera, not what you're used to, like from your usual DSLR. They are usually big. This has a really small, a small form factor. It's a small camera, but it feels really good. Yeah, it's really also light. Yeah. So if you happen to own your old EF lenses, you can just get an adapter, and yeah, here we go. This is an EF to RF adapter. Yeah, let's open and see what's in the box. It's a nice packaging. So this is it guys. It looks like a tiny lens, but it's just an adapter, and you just mount it right here. By the way guys, this camera does not come with it doesn't have like curtains. So when you take off this cap, you just expose the camera already. The sensor is open, so you have to be very careful. So I'm just going to put my adapter on, just like that, and it will enable me put on a lens. I have a 50mm with me here, so I can just put it on there, nice and good. Guys, this camera feels so light. Yeah, you might even think, is this like real, is it fake? But it's a really nice small camera. It's amazing. So let me put in the battery and let's see. Let's power it up. So you put the battery down here as usual, and it also has a memory card slot under here. Yeah. So let's put in the battery. There we go. Feels nice. So if you've used the R6 before, this just has a little change. For on the R6 here, this is the power, but in this case it switches from still to video mode. yeah, so we've turned it on, as you can see. Very nice. Right, yeah, so feels good in the hand. Yeah, this is the EOS R8, guys. It's an exciting camera, and it goes for about $1,500 US. In Ugandan, it's 5.5 million, though you're not going to buy it at that price. In Uganda, they are going to sell you this camera at about 6 million if you find a really good deal, but most vendors around here will sell to you at 7 million because, you know, it's just coming, and yeah, it's a bit, yeah, it's a hot camera, guys. Yeah, these batteries usually come without power, so I would really have to charge this battery. Yeah, otherwise 24 megapixels CMOS sensor, comes with dual pixel autofocus, like one of the best, guys. This sensor is the one found in the R6 Mark II, so it's a pretty powerful sensor. You get 4K 60 frames. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to read more about this camera. It's a small but very capable camera. I think of the reviews that I've watched, it's basically the battery that people have been worrying most about, because it has a small battery. But yeah, I'll tell you more. I'm going to do another video that talks about, well, we'll be in the field testing it out. I'll give you my first impressions. But as of now, it's a very nice camera. Feels good in the hand. Small, but yeah, feels good, solid. Yeah, there's a lot. I'm really expectant. I can't wait. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to put them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer you. But as of now, I'm excited and I can't wait. So see you guys.